Hello, my name is Frank Vogel. I'm the sales responsible at Frankia, and today you are in Düsseldorf on the Frankia stand, and behind me you see the new Frankia Noctra, our new luxury class at Frankia. It's totally new constructed from the bottom to the top, with the new double floor, with the new interior. You have the choice of 4 styles to create your own car with 2 different woods. We have a lot of very excellent materials in the car, but I think later we will have a look on it. The Noctra is the new start in a new class of luxury Frankia models that will come up. Here we have the base on Mercedes and the base on Fiat. You client, you can choose what you want, because first you just decide, I like this layout, and then the engine is just a choice. These cars are made with the idea of design, comfort and quality. These are these 3 points that guide us to create this car. This leads us when we produce this car, so that you get the best experience with this car. If you like, we can have a look to the car in detail. We have a new garage with the inside height of 1.27 meters. So there is a good way to store your bicycles. We can have a look to the other car later. There we have a special bike holder system that you can fix your cars and that they are secured. The bike system, holding system, it's not fixed with screws on the floor. It's just because of the pressure when they are fixed. And if you're not needing that system, you can also remove this metal plate from the floor because it's not screwed. We have 2 doors for good access in the car from both sides. You have one hand opening, or if you like, you can have even with touch, with sensor technique. We will have a look on the other models later. We have a new double floor. It has a height of 36 centimeters, 0.5. So we can load through the cars long and big things, or as an option, you can also have a slide out system with boxes for your storage. The last box, you have access from the inside. Outside, this is the Noctra with the serial decor. We will start with this way later, because why? We have a very special offer for the start. We have edition 1. This is a very well equipped car. It will have the decor from the other model that we have here. It's full black, it's including carbon stickers, so it's very luxury. In that way we put it on a Mercedes, but you can choose which engine you would like to have. It's a Fiat or it's a Mercedes. Here you can see also the storage system, if you like to have this one, with the Euro cargo boxes for good packed and sorted equipment. So, this is the backside of the new Noctra. It's completely new, it's very modern, automotive. We have the new BridgeLight. I think it's very attractive in LED. There's the option also to have a very special highlight. You can have the biggest window in the back of the car to see the outside, inside. It's a kind of, as you know maybe from the van life, you can open the door. And our idea was, why not doing this in a camper like this? So that's why we invented this big window. Okay? So this is the version without the window. Yeah. And on the other side we have this with the window. Maybe you're asking why it's glossy. It's the first prototype, so it's not coming in this glossy way. It's coming in the other version that we have seen before. But this is this incredible huge window on the backside. So if you are laying in the bed, it's a rainy day maybe, and you have a good view to the environment, to the maybe forest or the lake where you're standing. Because we are talking about quality. We have a new logo at Frankia. The wing and our letters Frankia. this is metal, this is not plastic, this is real cool metal. So that means you will see later in the car, everywhere you can touch, where you have the main contacts, we are using the best materials that you have the best experience. Now we are on the other side of the Noctra. This is the electricity central station, let's say like this. Everything that is equipped in the car, you will find all the electric here. You have the cable from outside through this part so that it's secure, it's safe and it's close. And you have all the components from solar, from the switch to protect the electric system. Everything is on this place. If you go to the next, here you have the possibility to plug in your hose to take the fresh water, and here you have the gray water. It will be done with the magnetic system ventil. You have a switch in your cockpit to open this, and it's also the possibility to have a camera to see where you're standing when you flush your gray water. For the gas bottles, we have this way to move it out, to have an easy access, to put the bottles on it, and the crush sensor from Truma is fixed on this slide out. Mostly it's fixed on the wall, so it's more easy to install your gas bottles. Yes, and this is the other side of the garage. A huge garage. Here you see the prototype status. In serial, this heating system will be in the wall, so you have a flat wall, so nothing will disturb when you store something. It's a very easy access, nothing that blocks you when you load. We have a metal inside. You can also choose like a carpet or even from rubber, you know, when there is some muddy, bad weather. So this is your choice as a client. So the walls outside, we have, I don't know, GFK, kind of polyester material. Then you have the insulation. It's not taking water when there's a damage. And from the other side, inside, it's also the same materials as outside, plus fabric. This is taking noise, you know, water when you're inside and you're breathing. So it's a good insulation. It's winter proofed, and there's no wood in the walls and the floor, so it's woodless. This is the standard door. We made it that when you close the door, that this door is integrated also in the inside appearance. You see, here is this light material ending. It's the same height as the door. So design is also important. This is the standard door. On the Mercedes, later we will have a look. We have the luxury door, including window, light on this part, and outside a leaving home, coming home signal. The standard two locks doors, it's metal. Some doors, you know, already are made with the plastic parts, so this is still metal. So it's closing good. So now we are inside the Noctra. This is one of the two prototypes that we have at Düsseldorf here. Here you see the furniture called Celos. It's our new wood. It's a little bit with the structure, so when you go with the hand, it's a very nice feeling. The material, if you take the hand, it's very, very glossy without any, it's one made block, let's say like this, so no edges where you cannot clean it, so it's easy to clean. It's mineral fabric, so it's kind of stone fabric. You have big drawers. They are done when you buy a kitchen for at home, so it's a good company, it's Hettich. It's a metal lock. When you touch it, it feels good. The same here at the entrance, it's also metal, so everywhere you touch, we try to use the best materials that you have a good experience, a good feeling when you use the car. Now we are standing in the living part here. If you see, you have a huge space. In that version we don't have the drop-down bed. So you have much more space over the head. You see, it's very, very high. Even tall, large people will have a very airy, a very comfortable feeling. The TV screen, 32 zoll, so a very, very large screen. It's fixed when you drive, and when it's night and you have your ambient light, you can see it's now not possible because of the surrounding light, that there is a very, very light LED stripe inside. It makes a very cozy, a very modern feeling. Yeah, our cupboards push lock with 2 of these dampers, so it's very, very strong, very, very good, very safe. The walls are with fabric, as I told you when we were outside, so it's important because when you are in a camper and you are outside, the different climates and temperatures, it's taking moisture and it's leaving moisture, and also the noise in the car. It's much, much better because of the wall with the fabric. It's real wood cover for the sink. It's heavy material. It comes in a different color that it's more matching to the car. And for instance, if you start cooking and you need to cut something, you put it here, and it has the same height like the kitchen, and you can do your preparations, for instance. The sink itself, it's metal, it's not plastic. It's a good material, has a light structure, it's quite huge, I think so. And the tap in black, you can clean everything that you have to clean. The shower floor has the same height as the floor in the car. That means you have the same height in the shower as in the car. That means people with 2 meters can stand there. The material of the shower has also a good haptic structure, so it's nice to touch it. It's rounded, so there are no corners that have to be sealed. So it's a very comfortable shower with LED light, with the new shower head. It's similar to a rain shower a little bit. You have the Heki above, you know, for air, for fresh air, to dry the shower. And also the doors are closing completely. I think it's a nice look also. So you can close this door to the living area, and then you have a huge space in your bathroom. On one side the shower, and here you have the toilet and the sink and your storage with a good atmosphere. If you have a look inside, we made specially the light below the storage. It gives a cozy and a little bit zen and spa look. In that way we have the Klesana as an option. The car is in the standard coming with the normal Tedford toilet, but this is the Klesana. Here we're standing in the sleeping room, let's say like this. This is the model without a backside window, so you have a lot of storage around to store something if there's a window. Parts that get lost because these are going because of the window, these lockers will be longer, so you are not losing that space because of the window in the back. Here, to climb into the bed, you have 2 steps, a stair. And if you say, oh, we need more space, you just extend this, put the cushion inside the mattress, and then you need a stair. And this is easy because you just need to unlock and move the stair to the front, and then you have access to the bed. There's also storage inside. And because of the stair is blocking now the storage on the side, you can also have access from the top. I can show you that if you like. Then you just need to move that up, and you have also access to the storage on both sides. When you're not needing that, you remove the mattress, you close it, you unlock it, you move it back, and then you have the normal access to the storage. in the floor you have access to the storage below. Here without the boxes, but if there is the storage system, you have the last box. You can put in something that you need quite urgently or quick or whatever. The floor itself is a complete new structure. It's not much more stable as it today. Today it's a very good floor, but this is way better. Here we have the fridge in a very convenient height, so it's easy to access. And here a little freezer for the ice cream. And a lot of storage space. Your spices, coffee, the coffee machine itself, because there's an access to plug it in, so you can move the coffee machine also when you're needing it into the wall.